All right, welcome back to my channel, guys. So you all know I've always been particular about bringing you guys top-notch secrets to help us all make money from the forex market. All right, guys, I am very particular about this. I do this because I want all of us to win together. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how to catch boom and crash spikes on this particular one. Okay, you can see we are already on. So guys, I'm just gonna tell you this thing. If you have been trading for a very long time, trust me, there are patterns that always repeat itself on the market that you don't want to ignore. If you are a very observant trader, you will know that these patterns usually repeat itself. All right, so with your knowledge of this algorithm that always repeat itself, right, you just can make a lot of money from the market without stressing too much. You can just see something very familiar and then take your shot and boom, catch spikes. So I'll be showing you guys this top secret, how to catch spikes when the market is ranging. All right, what I'm going to show you guys work for me almost all the time. So if you watch this video carefully, practice it, you will definitely get something out of this. You make money for yourself, guys, just using this very simple strategy that I'm about to share with you guys. But before we get there, I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Subscribe. This motivates me to do more. This encourages me. This makes me see that people are actually getting value. All right, so just subscribe and drop good comments if you have been benefiting from past secrets that I share on this channel. All right, drop good comments and permit me to close out some of these positions so I can really stay focused and show you guys how this works. All right, I'm going to be taking a screenshot now to share on my VIP platform. Let them see. Of course, they are seeing already, just to keep updating them. All right, so permit me to do all of that and then just show them the result here on. All right, I'll be back with you guys shortly. All right, guys, so I just had to close out some positions and I have just one position running right now. I've already secured my money for the week. Had it been I don't trade for, guys, I don't give out signals, trust me, I'm done for the week. I'm just done for the week. I wouldn't even look at the market again, but of course I like to look at the market. And I need to do this video in the car. All right, so I had to go inside the car to make the video. It was really noisy outside, and in here my AC is not coming up fast. Wow. Okay, so guys, y'all can see where we entered the market from. You can see buy position. You can see the areas. You can see my support area. But then this strategy will help you when the market is ranging, especially on the higher time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. You can see right here, that's my my support area here. Okay, so you see the price ranging around this area. So you simply want to take advantage of this range right here. Okay, when it goes to that level, it comes back to this level and then it goes back up, you know, around this support area. You can see my supports. You can see my my line, my horizontal line, yeah, which marks my support area. So you want to wait for price to come to that support area, right? You want to wait for price to come back to that area and then go back up, come back down to this area again. All right, that's where you want to be taken advantage from. That is where you want to enter the market. Okay, of course we already see that the market is going upwards. All right, if you also look back, how do you even tell your support and resistance? Yeah, you want to see multiple reversals around that support area. After you place your line, guys, remember that the line is not the exact point of reversal. Always remember that the line is not the exact point of reversal. Rather, it just helps you mark that area. Okay, it helps you to mark that area. Okay, so whenever price comes down to that area, that's when you are taking advantage of the market, guys. Okay, so this will help you trade range cutting spikes. Okay, you cut spikes, you just open some good positions and just take some spikes, and you're out of the market, and you're out of the market, you're out of the market. Okay, how is this done? First of all, you want to see the direction of the market to be going to the upside, especially on the 4 hours time frame. And now you switch over to lower time frame. All right, you can see that on that same area, if you notice on that same area, there are still multiple reversals on that area, even down on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, all right, you can see that we still have reversal points on that area, even down to the 5 minutes time frame. That same area, you can see my horizontal line is right there. All right, that's still the area that was plotted on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so you want to see multiple reversals around this area. Okay, around this area. All right, after that spike on that area, after the first spike on that area, I was supposed to enter the market, but I missed that shot. Okay, but how do you do this? It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. It's very easy. I want you to just make sure you keep following. Okay, make sure you keep following. Okay, so if the market is ranging on the 4 hours time frame, you need to come down to lower time frame. What I usually do is go from if I'm analyzing on a 4 hours time frame, I don't want to skip any time frame, right? So I'll go from 4 hours to 1 hour to 30 minutes accordingly. Yeah, and on the 15 minutes time frame, I want to be seeing multiple reversals. Now this is, see what I'm showing you here, this area, price did pass that line. That's why I said the line is not the exact point of reversal. All right, it only helps identify the area. You can see that this reversal happened after it had broken that line, that's horizontal line. But on the 15 minutes time frame here, you want to see not more than 6 reversal points on the 15 minutes time frame. This is the hack, guys. This is the hack, guys. You have seen 1, I've seen 2, all right, I've seen 3, 4, all right. We don't have more than 6. That's why I took this trade. This is the 5th one. This is the 5th one, right? This is the 5th one right here. The 5th reversal. After it spiked this first time to that level, you can see after this first spike, I was supposed to enter the trade, but I did not enter. I missed. I think I was driving then. Yeah, and then that's where I was supposed to enter from, right there. Okay, so I missed that shot, but then this happens almost all the time. This is something that I have observed over time, so it usually happens. So after that spike happened, and then this second spike was not long. As I noticed, that second spike, this second spike here was not really long, right? I still took the shot. I still took the trade. Okay, I still took my buy position, and then look at that, all the way to this level, and we are expecting to close out from that level. All right, we're expecting to close out from that level. Me and my team, VIPs, out from the market with this spike, right? Imagine how much profit is made at this level, right? Imagine how much you can make a lot of money from this, just following this simple strategy, guys. This is a simple hack. This is a simple hack. I'm always particular about bringing you these hacks because I know it works for me. If it works for me and it works for my students, it should work for you. So you just have to know what you're doing. You just have to know what you're doing. First of all, you want to know the direction of the market on a higher time frame. You want to see that it is going up, right? You want to see that it is going upwards. And then if you see any range at some point on the 4 hours time frame, especially any range at some point where the market gets to one point and it comes back down to this other level, the low, and then it goes back to the same high and then comes back to the same low and all of that, if that happens and you switch down to all the time frames, right, accordingly, right, you don't skip anyone, you just go down to all the time frames, down to 15 minutes time frame. If you see bullish movement on all of these time frames, right, if you see bullish movement on all of these time frames, and then you're on your 15 minutes time frame, look at this place. Look at that. This place is where we are going to be taking the market, right, by surprise. It's going to expect us to keep going, but we are not going anywhere. We are just going to leave the market here. I've already updated my VIP members to leave the market at this level. No matter what happens, even if more profit comes, it doesn't matter. It doesn't concern us. We have made what we want to make. All right, this is a game that you must not allow greed to, take charge, guys. You must not allow greed to take charge. So you treat this like every other business, okay? Right? It might happen, it might not happen. All right. So here, guys, VIPs, you can see we already took a couple more trades, and we are printing, guys. We are making profits every day, and this is just from simple hacks. We don't stress ourselves to make money. We just follow simple patterns that we have studied over the years, and we are sure it will keep repeating itself. What is price action about? It's simply, studying past price movements, past price history. Whatever price has done in the past is what is going to happen again in the future, right? So you just have to stay close and just monitor the market. You just observe the market until it gets to that point where you want to make an entry. Okay, so it's as easy as this, guys. It's as easy as that. Once you notice on the higher time frame, 4 hours, the daily time frame, that the market is going in your direction, is going to the upside. This is for boom. Remember, this is for boom. If the market is going to the upside, you just have to navigate through all the time frames downwards to 15 minutes, and then count that area. After you've spotted, of course, you need to spot your support and resistance. Of course, your support in this case, because we are trying to buy on the boom market, right? So check the higher time frame, the 4 hours time frame, spot your support and resistance, wait for market to, once it's ranging, take advantage. Peace, guys.